What's up, YouTubers? It is I, the Russian Fazbear, the fan collector with only the moderately deep voice. Today we have another Hunter original, this one in polished brass. This Hunter original dates to 1996. I got it off of Facebook Marketplace about a year ago, and I just now finally got around to installing it. And you may notice that the bottom switch cap here for some reason appears somewhat green. Not really sure why that is, however, from certain angles it appears more polished brass, and other angles it appears more green. Not really sure why that is, but might just be Hunter not really having the best polished brass, you know? So now we'll go ahead and demonstrate this fan, starting with low. And this is the first 5-blade Hunter original I ever acquired. I did make a video of a black 5-bladed original a few months back. However, that one I got after this one by a margin of about 2 weeks. Has a nice Hunter original low. Now we'll take it up to medium. It's just your basic run-of-the-mill mid-90s Hunter original. Nothing all that special about it, but it's still a Hunter original, so of course it's still special. Now we'll take it to high. And of course, since it's an original, it's given that it's going to be fast and powerful, moving tons of air, and it's also well balanced, which is nice. And unlike the black original, this one actually came with its canopy. Turn it off, and there you go. This is a 52-inch polished brass Hunter original from 1996. Okay, so I'm the Russian Fazbear, and may all your ceiling fans blow hard.